Honor X9b 5G official launch date confirmed in India. Today we've got some thrilling news for all of you smartphone lovers out there. Honor is gearing up to launch its latest flagship, the Honor X9b 5G in India. We've got the official launch date, some leaked specs and even a rumored price tag. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you stay in the loop with the latest tech updates. Now let's jump right into it. Honor X9b 5G unveiling India's first ultra bounce display. HTech is expanding its Honor series with a bang, introducing the Honor X9b 5G smartphone. The company claims it will feature India's first ultra bounce display with airbag technology. And guess what? The official launch date for the Indian variant is set for February 15th, as announced by Honor on their social media platform X. This is exciting news for all the tech enthusiasts out there. Now let's talk about the price. Leaks suggest that the Honor X9b 5G could be priced between 25,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees. Quite a competitive range considering the rumored features we are about to discuss. Speaking of features, the Honor X9b 5G is expected to come with a massive 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display, powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. Rumors also suggest up to 12 GB of RAM and the latest Android 13 operating system. But that's not all. The smartphone is packing a 5800 mAh battery with fast charging support. Can you imagine the power in your hands? One of the standout features is the Honor Ultra Bounce Anti-Drop display. It boasts a 3-level protection system, ensuring safety for the screen, frame and internal components. It's not just a phone. It's a fortress for your digital world. The handset might come in the 12 GB plus 256 GB option, dazzling in a sunrise orange shade. Photography enthusiasts, listen up. The Honor X9b 5G is expected to sport a 108 megapixel triple rear camera setup and a 16 megapixel front camera. Get ready to capture every detail with precision. And for connectivity, the Honor X9b 5G is rumored to feature Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1 and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Plus, there's a bonus. It might be available in a bundle with Honor Choice Earbuds X5e, offering 12 months of screen and back cover protection and a 24-month battery health warranty. That's quite the package. That wraps up a sneak peek into the Honor X9b 5G. Are you excited about the smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.